I want to show you guys how one of my viewers was able to profit over 32 Solana in a single MemeCoin trade just by following my simple copy trading strategy and using one of the wallets I posted in my free Telegram group. 32 Solana is currently over $6,000 in today's markets, all made within less than 2 hours. Most people don't even make $6,000 in a single month, and this person did it just by clicking a few buttons on their phone. I'm going to go through and break down their trade with you guys and show you exactly how all this is possible. The best part with meme coins, anyone is able to replicate this, and the more time spent learning within this niche, the higher chance you have of hitting these life-changing trades. So now, let me show you guys the actual trade and the message they sent me after. Here we can see they hit for over 25x, which is absolutely insane. They put in slightly more than 1 Solana and then walked away with over 32, which is, like I said, over $6,000 currently. So the majority of people think you need to be going on websites like Dex Screener and Photon and actively scanning for coins to be trading. I honestly recommend you guys go the copy trading route, where you just find profitable traders to copy their trades. Here I am on Dex Screener. I just want to show you guys something real quick about how the majority of MemeCoin day traders are actually not profitable. We're going to click the top gainers and losers tab over here. Click the 24 hours. So we have the hottest coins from the last 24 hours right here listed. Let's just click on any of these guys. This AI coin. We're going to click on the top traders. In here, it's going to show the top traders that have bought and sold this coin. Generally, these top wallets are going to be dev wallets, so I try not to even really count these. We're going to scroll down just a little bit here. And we're going to look at some of their profit and losses here, which starts at only 200 bucks, 205, 202. You can see not very high, and as we scroll down, there's not that many people that are in profit here. The lower you get, the more fees are going to be eating up your profits. So, these aren't even that much money to be walking away with. As we can see, there's not that many people that are actually profiting off these normal coins. Let's go back and check one more. Let's check the top traders. We're going to just ignore these top handful ones that are going to be dev wallets. Once again, we can see they're 300, 300, 100, 128, 90, which is decent, but the people that I'm trying to copy trade off of are going to be much more profitable than just average people like this. So this is why I generally don't recommend people go the day trading meme coin route, because it's very difficult to actually make money doing this. So here I am on Photon. I want to get the chart pulled up so I can give you guys kind of a visual representation of their trade real quick. So I'm going to pull up the coin they traded, this Rolex. Let's reset the chart. We're going to scroll out. Let's scroll down. We're going to make sure we're on the transactions button right here. And we're going to click the makers. Let's punch in the wallet address of my viewer. Let's scroll back up. And then we can kind of actually see the chart of when they bought and sold, which is really cool. You can see their buys right down here. So not at the very beginning, but really close to right when the coin launched. And then their sell and another sell. They have 2 sells. If we scroll down, we can actually see their list of transactions here. So they're 1 buy, and then 2 of their sells for 28, and then 4, which is crazy. They honestly killed it on this trade on their sell. It was at like the highest peak that the coin hit, which was nuts. So overall, this is an amazing trade for my viewer right here. All copying just one profitable trader. The best tool that I've currently used to copy trade is a Telegram trading bot called TradeWiz, which is also what my viewer used to hit this trade. Links to the TradeWiz copy trading bot and my free Telegram group, both in the description of this video and the pinned comments. Also, while you're here, smack that like button, please. I'm just going to show you guys real quick how it works. You can buy and sell with it, but I generally use the copy trading feature, which you can set up multiple traders to copy off of. One really cool thing, they have a smart wallet button, which actually will give you potential wallets to copy trade. So we can click this locate smart money if you give it a specific token address. We're going to click this one, give me a smart money address, just to give us a random one that's profitable. And from here, we get a wallet address that we could potentially copy trade off of. I highly recommend that you guys do more research on this wallet before you just go gung-ho and start trading off of it. I can show you guys what you'd actually want to look for if you're interested in that. So once you did find a profitable wallet that you wanted to copy trade off of, you'd come into the TradeWiz bot and click on the copy trading button right here. In here is going to be the copy trading profile section, where it's going to list all the profiles that you're actively copy trading off of. I only have one set up right here because this is just a dummy wallet to show you guys. But for example, if we wanted to add a new one, we click add. If we wanted to change the settings on one of the ones that we already have, click here. And we can go through this and change any of the settings that we wanted to. For example, if we want to change our max buy, we could change it to 0.2. And now our max buy is 0.2. If we want to lower that and do 0.1, we could also do that. There's a ton of different settings in here that you can fine tune for the copy trader profile that's set up. I do have other videos where I go over all of these settings in detail, so I highly recommend you guys check that out. Real quick, some of the most important settings you're going to want to take a look at. Max buy, this is how much you're going to buy in increments. Total investment, this is how much you can potentially invest copying this trader. Slippage fees, you're going to want to change these so you're not getting eaten up in fees and your transactions actually go through. And lastly, the actual wallet address, who you're copy trading off of, is extremely important. The wallet that my viewer was originally copy trading off of came from my wallets tab in my private Telegram group. The link will be in the description of this video. It's completely free. I highly recommend you guys join and check it out. I am in here daily talking to my community, answering questions, and posting wallets for you guys to use. So to really emphasize the power of copy trading, I have the charts pulled up again here. But this time, we're going to punch in the wallet address of the wallet they were copying off of, so we can get a visual representation of their buys and sells. And right away, we can see with these, they're not going to be as profitable as the copy trader. So this necessarily is not always going to play out this way, but one of the advantages using the copy trading bots, you're able to fine tune the settings, and if used correctly, you're able to get in and out of trades before the wallet that you're copying off of. So in this case, doing so made them much more profitable in the long run. As we can see, they had a pretty bad sell, which the copy trader already got rid of their bags way over here, and they don't even have to worry about this. So let's scroll down so we can see their transactions in a list form right here. So if we remember, the viewer only had a few transactions, one buy and two sells, I think. This guy had one buy and a multitude of sells. I added all these up actually, and it's only around 25 SOL. So like I said, it's not as profitable as the copy trader, which is kind of funny. They actually did seem to buy 2 SOLs worth and then sold it right again after, which I'm not really sure why they did that. But that's one of the cool features of actually seeing their visual representation of their buys using the Photon website, which I highly recommend you guys use. So this is one of the messages between me and the viewer after they showed me their trade. So I began to congratulate them, and they actually let me know they're new to copy trading, which I thought was hilarious. This honestly just shows that anyone is able to hop in this space, and if you're willing to learn and take risk, then anyone is able to hit these life-changing trades.